Who wants eggnog?
Oh, Doug!
Hey, welcome back to Doug's Cars. It's been a hot minute since I've been able to make a video. I just haven't had any content really to show. I toured the Brumos collection last weekend, which is this fantastic race car, Porsche race car museum in the Jacksonville, Florida area. They don't allow filming. You can take pictures all you want. As you can see, I'm up here on the screen, but they don't allow you to video, which is unfortunate. But they have their own YouTube channel, and that's probably why. But it is Christmas Eve, and I have hopped in Das Boot, my 2003 Lincoln Town Car, and I'm headed up to Richmond, Virginia to spend Christmas with family and friends. And I have decided that I am going to surprise the guys at Sportscar Workshops, my race team, or my former race team. I've brought the requested eggnog. They don't know that I'm coming, but it's Thursday, and they always get together Thursday evenings. And I made sure through a mutual friend, thanks Mason, to find out if they actually were having FDR night, which they are. So I'll show up right at 5:01 with that bottle, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. And I'm gonna bring y'all along so you can see, and we'll take a look at what fun things they have there in the shop, because there's always cool stuff at Sports Cars. So stay tuned, because I'm embarking on a 600-mile drive in a 19-year-old car, which should be good. I mean, I did it last month. Actually, I did it this month, because I went to VIR this month in this car. All right, let's see what happens. As we cross over this river, we enter the great state of Georgia, the beach state, right? Just like that. Only 20 minutes to get to Georgia. Next stop, South Carolina. Woo! Only 500 more miles till I get off of this road. As we cross over the Savannah River into South Carolina, I'm about a little less than 2 hours in, which is good, because I've got to be there by 5. A little bit of a rant here. South Carolina is 2 lanes basically throughout the entire state. It is my least favorite part of this drive. 200 miles of 2-lane roads where you've got truckers who are passing each other at 1 mile an hour faster. So they hold up traffic forever, and it makes people really mad. And then they get in the right lane and try to pass, even though you can't, because the one truck is going 1 mile an hour faster than the other truck. And anyway, that's my South Carolina rant. Love the state, hate the road. Looks like somebody's getting a new clown shoe for Christmas. The wheels look like it's not an M. Yeah, it's 3.0. South of the border, everybody's favorite roadside attraction. Well, that means I'm about to hit North Carolina, which is the last state on my trip. I'm not stopping at south of the border. I'm not going up in the giant tower thing, because I have things I need to do in Virginia. All these hours later, I've made it to the Commonwealth of Virginia. And next stop, Sportscar Workshops. I hope that this works out well. I've planned it for a couple of days, and we'll see if I'm actually a surprise or not. All right, I've parked surreptitiously next door to the shop over here at the dollar store. I just wonder how the, hey, there's still ice in there. That's awesome. It's been in here all day. I mean, it was this pleasant out when I started this morning. So, locked. Now let's walk on over, and I was trying to record. Who wants eggnog? Oh, there. Oh, hey. Wheels. Oh, the seats. Nice.
Yeah,
I was gonna make a video of everything cool that's going on here. So yeah.
Look at the seats, dude.
That's awesome. And they don't even say Miata on them.
No.
Ooh, I want to smell the new leather. Am I allowed to sit?
Huh?
Am I allowed to sit? Okay.
As long as you're not a dirty fuck.
I've been sitting in the car.
Sorry, you can't.
Oh yeah. What? Did you say a bad word?
Dirty what?
Yeah. Oh wow. I love the smell of new leather. So these were Miata seats, right? That you had redone?
The Miata
Beautiful.
seats redone.
Oh man. Yeah, they look so much better. That one was in here with those giant headrests.
Yeah.
All right. Want to not? Let me see. Let me wipe my. There we go. Perfect.
Yeah. I mean, they are seats. People are gonna sit in them, so like.
They are. I don't think I've ever sat in that before. No, I did once. Oh my gosh, that thing is still here? No, I've never gone for a ride in it.
Dude, let's go back inside. I'm freezing.
Oh, okay. Ah. Who wants eggnog? Who wants eggnog?
Oh, Doug!
Eggnog. What's up? It's still cold. It had ice in it still. So.
What is up with you and coming from Florida out of nowhere?
I had to bring eggnog.
You literally came all the way here to bring eggnog.
Yep. Well, and have some.
I'm having
Well, you've got to hydrate first, right?
Oh yeah, I had a big hangover.
Oh, from eggnog. Yeah, there's a little issue right there. I see.
Yeah.
Don't need the eggnog to get high tonight.
Did somebody steal the cattle?
Oh, it's Mike.
Somebody had one.
Oh, he's got one of your vehicles. I brought eggnog.
A salt and pepper.
So, head gaskets? Ooh, that feels good.
Probably.
Head gaskets?
No, they're fine.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
All right. Well. I brought eggnog. So, yeah, lots of good stuff here. 911, obviously, air-cooled. This Ferrari has an engine out service. You can see the air conditioning compressor there, and it's this beautiful red interior, and they're playing some weird music that I've got to talk really loud over. This 2002 is getting a 6-cylinder transplant. I believe it's an M50, but I could be wrong. I don't know enough about the 80s BMW engines, but it's a glorious car. Original air-conditioned car in Verona red. Very nice. And then, of course, it's really empty in here today for some reason. I guess all the convertibles are outside because it's not going to rain. I hadn't seen that one running before. Just cleared the door. Nice. Well, there's two Mondis here tonight. You've got the red one that was here last time I was here back in the fall, which has the factory seats, which of course it's getting dark out, but that's the way it is. Obviously, we've got Red River Rivalry Rover here. He never gets tired of that joke. And yeah, the gold wheels. Gold wheel Ferrari.
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
That fucking sucks, but with two.
So you're actually going to go back to all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Team E46 back to all-wheel drive.
I'm gonna weld the rear diff.
Oh yeah, okay.
It'll drive like a rear car.
Well, it'll drive like a rear-wheel drive car with a welded diff.
But it's also gonna have front-wheel drive, so it'll grab good.
Ferrari poo down there. Yeah. Oh no, that's from the farm. Oh yeah. That's the last time I saw this car. It was actually just last month, right? So.
Yeah. Was now?
Yeah, it was in November. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was.
It was still last month. Yeah.
It's gonna get lifted
Nice.
now.
Very spicy Fiat. Oh yeah.
Very spicy.
Let's see how close should I get? Will it start?
When he started before, it just sounded like I had a really big cabin.
Every time I see this,
Good evening.
all I can think about is Andy's son sitting in the car seat with no flame inside.
It's not like a 1-year-old in the front seat of this thing. You had to put like the biggest head of earphones. That's like breaking human being.
Is it gonna start? There we go. I can smell it. Oh, you gotta put the pop-up headlights on, yeah.
Smells factory fresh, man.
Oh, and by the way, David Tracy from Jalopnik has shown up with his brother. Oh, he's popped the trunk, or the engine cover. Sounds like a lumpy V8. Nope. It's cool. Nothing wrong with that. So is there actually a body for this, or
Somewhere, I haven't seen it.
Yo, this frame is clean.
Yeah, it's a nice frame.
I think he's been doing some of the work, and he's just, realizing that timeline-wise, it'll be forever. So.
Well, he's an older guy. He dropped it off. With
He just wants to have his car back together. All kinds of fun stuff going on here. We got the 5-speed manual conversion on the XI, which can actually get its badge back. Hey, we got David Tracy and his brother over here hanging out next to the V8 conversion. Because this was already in the C30, but it had to come out because there were issues, as you can imagine. And then yes, we're just here. This thing did great off-road. It was an XI.
No, is transfer case still work on it?
No, it does not. But there's a whole new one back there. Well, new.
Hi, I'm David. Hey, great to hear it. Another car that we went and ramped worked out on a farm somewhere. And now he's lovingly putting way too much additional work into it. The body looks pretty good, I gotta say.
Surprisingly good. There's a nice hole in the floorboards from when the socket extension would come through and hit the sheet metal to keep it from trying to go into all-wheel drive mode. But yeah, you can't see it through the carpeting, but yeah. Mine's the new drive shaft. They literally just brought this in and dropped the exhaust and put it on.
Look at how skinny exhausted. Dude, I spent way too much time in Michigan.
Well, you spent too much time in Michigan. Yeah, this is, and also not a Jeep, although there's some rusty Jeeps here, but oh man. This was on when I got here.
It's called time.
Yeah, right. Engine rebuild.
9 and 4, the guy bought a ring trail of Subaru WRX swapped, but he bought the correct 911 air-cooled motor. He swapped it.
Yeah, so much better. Last time I saw this, it didn't have an engine at all.
5th anniversary edition that some guy from Venezuela just
930, yeah.
For 20 years.
E-Type.
He runs and drives. And literally every year they bring it out, change the oil, blah blah blah.
That's his E-Type too, isn't it?
E-Type, yeah, like a 67 or 68. Something like that.
Make it more blind fine than that.
Yeah, he's basically like, don't touch them. Just
like he wants to put Ratty.
The rat is still here.
Be imported into Venezuela and have it look like shit.
Oh, is that how it works? Well, I can see that.
Yeah.
Healy.
Factory 5.
Yeah, this thing's beautiful.
This is the rat.
Yeah, the rat is awesome. Like, it's a leaning tower of power with a manual and a power top.
Yeah, and a manual.
Yeah, it's not a V8. It's fantastic.
It's pretty huge.
With a little tiny steering wheel.
We got rid of the foot pedal.
Oh, that's the brake pedal was the foot, right?
Wait, you got rid of the foot gas pedal? Yeah. Why? I made the car.
Did it?
Well, now I'm definitely not buying it. Most people that mess me about it, big dude. My Valley is not. Sport exhaust. Original interior for the most part, minus the wood. And I mean, this thing hauls. I mean, it's wild to drive.
This is the one that I drove, right?
Yeah, 4 speed,
okay, yeah.
overdrive, it'll go.
Yeah, this thing's nice. This is,
no problem.
yeah, 1978. This car is a lot of fun. Yeah, this is the one where the people yelled at us on Riverside, right?
Yes.
We were only going like 40.
Like a lot of Heelys look nice, but drive like shit. This one
and the color combination is just perfect.
Yeah. What's that? That's 2000, but it's
the A-Barth
replica. And that's actually that's a really fun car to drive.
After this one too, I think this is really wordy, isn't it? You had it at your house.
I had it at my house.
Yeah, you had it at the house.
And then that's Mike's dad's race car.
What's a Lotus seat? Yeah, it's a fiberglass Elan.
What a great day it's been. I drove up here in my town car. It's so comfortable and so nice. I'm looking at a Ferrari. And yeah, I got to meet David Tracy. They're over there. They're going to be changing his brother's oil. Well, it's just been a fun day. So thanks y'all so much for watching Doug's Cars. Please hit subscribe so you can see more fun stuff. And if you celebrate Christmas, have a Merry Christmas.